Good afternoon guys, so today I'm taking out this lovely Triumph Street Triple RS 765. I'm really looking forward to it because everyone goes on about how good they are, and to be honest I've always liked Triumphs, so yeah, I'm really excited. I'm at Wigan Yamaha. It's one of their used bikes that's come in. I say used, it's done like 200 miles, so yeah, we're gonna see how we get on with it and see if I want to buy it. Okay, so I know I say this literally every video, but hopefully you can hear me because I've got my camera on a chest mount instead of my helmet, because everyone always seems to moan about it. So yeah, Street Triple RS, let's go. I like the seating position, it feels really high. Changes gear so nicely. Ooh, nice. This has got the standard exhaust on as well, and to be honest, it sounds pretty good. Oh, yeah. I like that sound. Yeah, this feels nice. I have a tendency to forget about quick shifters. Like, I do it all the time. And I find myself blipping and I'm like, why am I blipping? It's got a quick shifter. It's just a habit. So at the moment I'm kind of torn between this and an M209 SP. Obviously the engine sizes are quite different, but it's just with the whole Triumph thing, they're just a bit more refined. I'm just not really sure. We're in the wrong lane. But yeah, I could do with riding them like back to back really. That would probably help me a lot. Have I gone the wrong way here? No, it's the right way. I can't go too far on this either because it's only done 260 miles. It's pretty much brand new, so I cannot put a lot of miles on it. So it's not going to be much of a big ride, but I'm going to try and find some decent roads. I'm not very good with Wigan, I don't really know my way around that well. I just know how to get to Wigan Yamaha and that's about it, so yeah, we'll have to see. But it feels nice just cruising. Pull away in a second. Definitely a nice feeling when you put the throttle down. Let me know what you think of this view anyway instead of the helmet, because people always complain it's too noisy or it's not straight, whereas, sorry I'm just checking it's right, this is a bit more, should be quieter, because I always find the chest mounts a lot better for sound. That's without the mic, so I'm not sure what it's going to be like with the mic, but yeah, we'll give it a go. So let me know what you think, if it's better, because obviously at the moment I have no idea. The dash is really nice. It's like the LCD dash. There's a lot in the menus, but I'm not going to show that right now, obviously I'm riding, but I'll show you that in a bit. At first I was like, okay, this is complicated, there's way too much going on, but it's actually not that complicated. There's only like two two buttons that you use. It just looks a lot when you look down, but it's not that bad at all. And there is quite a lot of menus, but it makes sense once you look into it. So yeah, don't be like put off by that, because at first I was like, okay then, this is a lot. I mean, a lot of people say that they prefer it when, you know, bikes are simple, they don't have all this fancy tech and stuff. Which, yeah, I do understand. In a way, I kind of do too, because it's just straightforward, isn't it? You just get on it and ride it. But it is good having the option to change modes and whatnot, like say if it's a really rainy day. I mean, I do really appreciate having the option to turn it down a bit, basically. Do you ride a bike with modes, and do you use them often? Or do you just tend to leave it in the same mode? Obviously you can customize your own mode as well, which is like set to you, so you just put it in that mode and then that's your preferred setting, if that makes sense. So that's pretty good. But I think most bikes that have modes have that option anyway for your own custom one. I absolutely love the Triumph whistle. I know not a lot of people are into it. I don't understand it at all, how you can't like this sound. I don't even know how you can't like that. Obviously it's got a standard exhaust, so it doesn't sound as good as it could, but when people complain about it, I'm just like, really? It sounds so good. But I suppose each to their own. But yeah, the riding position feels good. I like it. I feel like I'm more over the front than most naked bikes, I guess. Actually, I was going to say like the M209, but actually I think it's completely different. I feel like the M209, the bars are really high up at the front in comparison. I haven't sat on one for a while, so don't, you know, take my word for that, but I feel like that. And I think my knees would probably hurt on a long ride. Just from being on it for this little time I've been on it, my knees are really bent. Like the pegs are quite high. I'm guessing it, you know, it's like rear sets, isn't it? I'm not sure if the RS version has different rear sets. I doubt it, but yeah, it feels quite, you know, racy. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not a touring bike, is it? But I feel like I need to stretch out my legs already. The M209 I felt so comfortable on. I'm trying my hardest not to compare this to the M209, but I am going to do it all the way through the video, aren't I? For whatever reason. Oh, that sound! Yes, please! I really want to overtake this car, but I can't. Don't blow me. Like this. Just slippy on the rail again in a second. Ooh. Big pothole. Yep, nice. Yep, that sounds so good. Oh shit. Oh bollocks, I didn't know this was on. Oh shit. It's Iron Man. I'm probably going to sat there for ages. Oh, this is going to be terrible. Thumbs up if you don't like cyclists. especially the ones that take up the whole road when they don't need to. Oh Jesus! This is not good. Oh my god. What the fuck? This is really not good. Oh no, we're going down there. That's where it's gonna go. Oh Jesus. Right, that's completely ruined my plans, completely. That's the road I was gonna go down. That is the only one I know of around here that's like a good, fun country road. So yeah, no idea what to do now. Great, that's just what I needed. Yeah, it sounds good coming down, doesn't it? Well, I say doesn't it, I don't even know if you can hear it. It is very responsive on the throttle. But the brakes are really sharp, so there should be. It's an RS model. It's got Brembos. I also realise they say they're pretty much the same things on every vlog. I'm sorry that I'm just crap at vlogging. Road ahead closed. Oh my god, I actually can't cope. Everywhere I'm going, they are there. Oh, it sounds so good. Like, I'm just imagining it with a full system and being like, damn, it would sound good. I feel like the power of it is suited to me, because it's alright saying I want an MT10 because I do, but it would be a waste on me. I'm not going to use even like 30% of that power. Well, maybe a bit more, but let's be honest, I ain't going to use that. So it's kind of like, I feel like this is more suited. It's faster than my MT07, but not like massively, so I don't think it's as bad. I think it would be the right step up to make, and I sort of feel the same with the MT09 as well. I think either one of them would be the right amount. Oh, we've got a little night dash going on. That's nice. That sounds pretty addictive. I just want to keep giving it some I can, because oh, my foot just fell off the top foot peg. This has not gone to plan in the slightest. This has not gone to plan in the slightest. Everywhere I want to go, the fucking cyclists are going that way.
Oh, fucking hang on, isn't it?
I didn't know they'd be going that far.
Oh, no, neither did I.
Yeah, the brakes are that sharp that I keep like smacking into the tank. Like, if you was a boy, you'd be in pain, put it that way. Hello? Brakes are so sharp, it's unreal. Shit. That's it, indicate last minute, mate. Seriously, them brakes. Wow. Alright, so we just pulled over to get some photos at Killycourt. I couldn't read that then. Bloody hell, I need glasses. I don't need glasses, but working on a computer every day isn't good. yeah, so we just pulled over to get some photos. We had trouble finding anywhere, but yeah, we found somewhere. So, and as you can see, I've swapped to the helmet mount now. We're going to try that out again. Hopefully you can see enough and hear enough. But yeah, it's been a bit of a flop, to be honest. But I've witnessed what it's capable of. Just so you know, for modes and stuff, I'm in sport on everything bar the traction control. Oh god, that sound. I've said that so many times. Take a shot every time I say it. That sound. Jesus Christ, I love it. Yeah, I've got everything in sport bar the traction control. That's on road, because I like the traction bloody hell, traction control aid on the road especially. Oh, this is nice. This is what I'm talking about. Oh god, it just feels so easy to ride. It's so smooth, so easy. And the power is there so quick. It's lovely, it really is nice. Oh, I think I want it. I think I might buy it, guys. Oh, I don't know. My legs are extremely bent, but I really like it. It's light. I can push it around easy enough. It doesn't feel any heavier than the Yamaha 7, because when you're a girl, shit like that matters, unfortunately. Oh, I don't know what to do. See, the M209 has that triple whistle, but it's not quite the same. I don't know. I honestly don't know. God, I'm in such a predicament now. What do I do? But yeah, like I said, it's a lot more refined than the Yamaha, especially the gearbox, but I knew that it was going to be that way anyway. Oh, but then I think I prefer the looks of the M209 at the front anyway. Oh, I don't know, because this could look absolutely mint with like a custom colour scheme. I'll be honest, I don't like this grey. If I bought it, I definitely wouldn't want to keep it in this colour. I just don't like matte, to be honest. I'm just not into it.